Cloaking or domain cloaking is a black hat method where the content presented to the users is different from the content presented to the search engine spiders. Doing this will get a site banned by the search engines. Link cloaking, on the other hand, is a method where affiliate URLs that are very long and unsightly are made shorter and prettier. It also refers to various methods used to hide affiliate links both from the search engines and site users. Suppose your affiliate link is something like this. You can make that link look like this one here. This link is shorter and prettier. But with Amazon affiliate links, you do not want to do anything like this. Amazon affiliate links are very long and they contain your affiliate ID. You can use them without any modification, but many affiliates are paranoid about losing their commissions. They are worried some malicious software on people's computers will strip their affiliate IDs from the URLs. While such malicious software does exist, link cloaking is against Amazon's terms of service. You would not want to use a link cloaker to make your Amazon affiliate links look like something else. Some people use URL shorteners like goo.gl, tinyurl and others to shorten their affiliate links. For instance, let's suppose you want to promote this product. And let's suppose this is your affiliate link. You can copy this link and paste it into goo.gl, and if you shorten the URL, this URL is so much shorter and prettier. You can do the same with tinyurl. You can paste the long URL here and click this button, and this is the shortened URL. You would not want to use one of those URL shorteners to shorten your Amazon affiliate URL. You would not want to use any plugins like Pretty Link Cloaker or any URL shortener. This is against Amazon terms of service, and you would not want to break their terms of service. There are other much more sophisticated methods which people use to hide their URLs from the search engines as well as humans. Frames are subpages within subpages, and they are used to hide affiliate links. Frames are used to cloak affiliate links. You can use the iframe HTML tag to create frames. Take a look at this piece of HTML code. It opens the website cnn.com within a frame. Let's see how it does that. We'll open this within a browser tab. In this tab, you are seeing content from cnn.com and can click on links and browse their site. But look at the address displayed in the browser window. It's not cnn.com. With iframes, you can make it seem like your visitors are browsing content on your own site while they are actually viewing content on a totally different website. Obviously, cloaking affiliate links with this method is a bit more complex, and we will not discuss that here, but you get the drift. Using iframes is a very sneaky technique that can be used to fool unsuspecting people, and if someone uses this method to cloak Amazon affiliate links, they will be banned from the program. You would not want to use any such method or a variation. There are a lot of software that promise to help you boost your affiliate earnings by using such very clever methods. You would want to stay away from them. Do not attempt to hide your Amazon affiliate links from your site visitors. Amazon does not want their affiliates to hide the affiliate links in any way. Amazon has an inbuilt URL shortener. If you want to shorten your affiliate links, you would want to use their URL shortener and not any third-party software. Let's see how to use Amazon's inbuilt URL shortener. You would need to log into your Associate Central account and search for a product using a keyword or the product's ISBN. Let's do a search for mattresses. Here are the results. Choose a product you want to promote and click on the downward arrow here. You will see the affiliate link. This is a long affiliate link. You also have this option here, shorten URL with Amazon.to. Click on it and Amazon will give you a shorter version. Frankly, you would not want to shorten your Amazon affiliate links. That might affect your CTR. People know and trust Amazon and have no qualms about visiting the site and buying from them. You would want to let the long Amazon affiliate links be as they are. Sure, you might lose some commissions from people who strip your affiliate ID and bypass you, but the percentage of such people is luckily very, very small. Instead, let people know they will be visiting Amazon's website when they click on your links. Amazon likes it that way.